Making India water resilient, lessons for Madurai. How is water used? How much water does a city use? Sadly, India's water demand, due to a lack of water metering, is a black hole and usually a guesstimate. This is a problem. How can a city become water resilient without knowing or managing how it uses water? So, how did we try to shine light on this issue? SCI spoke to over 2,000 people in Madurai between 2018 and 2021, trying to understand their waste and water realities. Our average respondent was economically less privileged than the average person from Madurai. We did this intentionally because the most vulnerable voices are often muffled in public discussions. We spoke to the petty shopkeeper, the auto driver, the household help, the flower vendor. We spoke to every household at their doorstep, and each interview was conducted in person by trained Sundaram Climate Institute researchers. What we discovered surprised us. The water crisis is not monochromatic. A wide variety of water realities existed within a few kilometers of each other. For example, while most of Madurai gets municipal water, water is not available on tap. Most citizens don't get water every day. Many get water only once every few days.
இது எத்தனை நாளைக்கு கொடுத்துருக்கா தண்ணி வருது? கார்பரேஷன் தண்ணி தானா? எத்தனை நாளைக்கு ஒரு தடவை வருது உங்களுக்கு தண்ணி? 4 நாளைக்கு வருது. கார்பரேஷன் தண்ணியா? உங்கள் வீட்டில் போர் இருக்கா?
இங்கே போர் கிடையாது.
எத்தனை நாளைக்கு ஒரு தடவை கார்பரேஷன் தண்ணி வருது?
4 நாளைக்கு.
4 நாளைக்கு. எவ்வளோ நேரம் வரும்?
2 மணி நேரம் வரும்.
சரி. உங்களுக்கு இப்போ குடி தண்ணி எத்தனை நாளைக்கு ஒரு தடவை வருது?
எங்களுக்கு பாப்பா 2 மாதம்
புரியல.
2 மாதம் ஆச்சு தண்ணி.
Water supply suffers during low rainfall years. For example, we found water supply became more infrequent in 2018 by 19, which were El Nino years with lower rainfall. Not all families get water from a tap inside their house. Indeed, many households get their water from a common tap they share with their community. But was the water enough? Did supply meet demand? A lack of metering made estimating demand a difficult exercise. We did ask households how much water they used, but were they able to accurately gauge how much water they used?
எல்லாமே இந்த தண்ணி உப்பு தண்ணி இருக்கிற மாதிரி
அதை சொல்ல முடியாது.
In our reckoning, the only households who knew exactly how much water they used were those without borewell access and who collected municipal water in pots.
ஒரு நாளைக்கு எவ்வளோ குடங்க தண்ணி செலவழிக்கிறீங்க?
எப்படியும் ஒரு ட்ரம்முக்கு தான் செலவாகும்.
நாங்கள் 10 குடம் எடுப்போம்.
10 குடம் எடுப்பீங்களா? ஒரு ஆள் தானா? எத்தனை குடம் தண்ணி உங்களுக்கு தேவைப்படுது ஒரு நாளைக்கு?
ஒரு நாளைக்கு 5 குடம், நாங்கள் 5-6 குடம் வேணுங்க ஒரு ஆளுக்கு. நானும்.
With that caveat, we found that water demand varied by year, varying between 84 to 92 liters per person per day, often influenced by supply. In any given year, wealthier people consumed more water. One reason for this was the type of toilet in wealthier homes. Households with flushable toilets consumed the most water. Predictably, households with borewells also consumed more water. As India becomes wealthier, more people will install flushable toilets and other water-intensive appliances like washing machines within their homes, making urban water demand rise quite easily by 20 to 30%. Given the uncertain supply of water, this rising demand translates to water insecurity. To increase water supply, the corporation needs more money to invest and cover higher running costs. This is going to be difficult as most of the households we spoke to said that they were not prepared to pay for municipal water, even if it came predictably to their doorstep and was of good quality.
கஷ்டப்படுறோம் தண்ணிக்கு. இப்பயே இதில் காசு வேற என்ன நல்லா இருக்கும்.
தண்ணிலாம் நீங்கள் விலை கொடுத்து வாங்குவீங்களா?
நாங்கள் வாங்க மாட்டோம். தண்ணியெல்லாம் திருக்குழாயிலே பிடிச்சிக்கிருவோம்.
அதுவே உங்களுக்கு போதுமா?
போதும். திருக்குழாயில வர தண்ணியே போதும்.
காசு கொடுக்க மாட்டீங்க?
காசெல்லாம் கொடுத்தெல்லாம் வாங்குறதுக்கு எங்களுக்கு வசதி பத்தாது.
Moreover, water does not appear to be a critical voting issue. In 2019, in the midst of severe water crisis, we spoke to 947 persons on what issues they voted on. Water did not figure meaningfully as a reason for voting for someone.
உங்களுக்கு 24,000 தண்ணி தரேன், உங்களுக்கு பணம் தரேன், உங்கள் பிள்ளைகளுக்கு படிப்பு தரேன், இந்த மூணில் எந்த காரணத்துக்காக நீ ஓட்டு போடுவீங்க?
என் மயனை வந்து இந்த சென்ட்ரல் ஸ்கூலில் சேர்த்துக்கிறேன்னு சொன்னாங்கன்னா நான் ஓட்டு போட்டுருவேன்.
In summary, many in Madurai, like many in India, get too little water in too uncertain a fashion in low rainfall years. This is partly because of a lack of funds to invest in better water infrastructure. As India's population grows and becomes wealthier, water demand will rise, making the demand and supply gap widen, especially during lean water months and during El Niño years. However, the general public does not appear either to be supportive of paying for clean, regular water supply or voting on water issues. This presents a dilemma in how to bring about water management and must be kept in mind while crafting solutions.